Before you sell, give away, or fix your MacBook, you need to completely erase it the right way. If you skip this, the files and Apple ID can still stay on the device. This is a 2017 Intel MacBook, and the reset process is slightly different from a newer Apple Silicon Mac like a M1 or M2. These Intels were up until around 2021, so if your MacBook is before 2021, then this video would be good for you. So this 2017 MacBook is still running on the Mojave OS, which is quite old. For this particular model, 2017, it can only be upgraded to the Sonoma, I believe, or Ventura. But I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset and to install the newest possible OS system. So let's get started. We're first going to go to the Apple icon on the very top left. Then we're going to go to Shutdown. And make sure that you have everything saved. Make sure that you download everything onto the iCloud or on an external hard drive. Next, we're going to turn it on, but when we turn it on, we're going to want to push Command, Option, and R. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Hold it down, and then make sure that you hold this. Okay, so now it's taking us to recovery mode. It's first asking us to put in our Wi-Fi, so we'll go ahead and do that. So give it a few minutes. Okay, if this pops up, then we're going to have to try to reset it again. It cannot reach because of like the Wi-Fi. So once again, we're going to try with the Command Option R, and then we're going to reset. Okay, let me see if I could do this. All right, so I'm going to hold this down, and I'm going to hold this. Command Option and R. It may take a while. On here it says 3 minutes left. Okay, so now it's restarting. Okay, so now it looks like we're successful. We're going to go ahead, put in the language, then click. And now we are in the macOS recovery. Okay, it's going to ask you to select a user, then you go ahead and put in the password. All right, first we're going to go ahead and go to Disk Utility. Okay, so this is all the storage. We're going to go ahead and erase everything now. All right, so from here, we're going to want to go to View, Show All Devices. Then we'll go here to Edit, and you'll see Erase. Make sure this is selected. And we're going to go ahead and erase. This is going to erase everything. This is a really old Mac running on Mojave. 2017, hasn't been upgraded. Okay, let's go ahead and push Done. After it's done, we'll go to Disk Utility and then we'll quit. Now let's go ahead and we'll reinstall, push Continue. It suggests Ventura. I believe you can go up to Sonoma. Okay, push Agree or click Agree. Go ahead and push Continue. Click on the hard drive icon. It says about 2 hours and 17 minutes. Let's see how long it takes. All right, so it seems like it's about to load now after a good hour or so. All right, there we go. Let's see some more loading. All right, so we finished downloading the OS, and now you have a clean MacBook. Go ahead and sign in with your Apple account. All right, so we're at the Apple ID portion, and please go ahead and sign in. I hope this video has helped. Please like, subscribe, or comment. Appreciate it.